Ulit daw. Hindi pa nakaready si Sir Briggs. Sir, move ka ng Drama kayo mga kamay!
Second place, sino kaya? From Green Team, Natalie Jen Diego. And our top. For Intermediate Boys. Fourth place, from Yellow Team, Zachary. Third place, from Green Team, Alexandra Lee Kabinbin. Second place, from Yellow Team, Felicia May Cruz. And first place goes to Red Team, Celestine Antoinette Chi. For Intermediate Boys, fourth place, from Green Team, Tristan Jake Magpayo. Kids, nawala po sa linya, magsibalik po. Mamaya po maglaro, makitago mo ng bubbles. Second place, next we have Damat Boys. Fourth place, from Yellow Team, Kendrich Rubio. Third place, from Green Team, Chad Piquito. Jake Magpayo, Rana Pereira, Alexandra Kabinbin, Julia Trias, and David Alexander Burns, and Zed Miguel Yaplinchay. Nasaan ang ating Franco MM? Next, third place goes to Yellow Team. Cassandra Magpayo, Elijah Alcaraz, Cassandra Titong, Kendrich Rubio, Calix Aspiras, and Zachary